Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Nanette Amarilla Siervo. I am 47 years old, married with 3 children, ages 19, 17, and 15. My first experience in working abroad that was in Kuwait, year 2015-2018. My duties and responsibilities there is to take good care of the 4 children, ages 7, 9, 13, and 17. Cooking, cleaning, gardening, marketing, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes. My second experience in working abroad that was in Hong Kong, year 2020-2021. My duties and responsibilities there is to take good care of the 2 children, ages newborn baby and the 6 years old boy. Cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes. And I have local employment also here in the Philippines. For now, I am a nanny here for 8 months old baby. My responsibilities there is take good care the 8 months old baby and cooking, cleaning, gardening, marketing. To my future employer, I hope you hired me as your helper. I will do my very best to be your good helper and a good nanny to your children. Mom and Sir, thank you very much. God bless.